Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So guys, we have one more good question on our screen. So let's try to solve this. So question says that a mixture comprise water and liquid A and B. Alright, so volume of water is 1/3 of the total mixture of the volume A and B. That's what is given, and A and B are in the ratio of 5:3 in that particular mixture. So to remove the water, so the mixture is passed through the porous medium which completely absorbs the water and partially absorbs liquid A. Alright, so they are trying to filter out things. What happens in the process? Now some water and some liquid, entire water and some liquid passes through it. So altogether this porous medium absorbs 200 milliliter of entire mixture, initial mixture basically. So the ratio of the volume of A and B in the residual concentration is 7:9, and the volume of water absorbed by the porous medium, that's what they are asking you. All right, so seems an interesting question, but at the initially this might look little tedious and difficult. So guys, we'll try to break down the question and देखो कैसे step by step कर रहे हैं हम. So fine, I know that. So this entire mixture consists of A, B and water, right? So they have given that water is nothing but 1/3 of the entire solution, and इन दोनों का ratio दे दिया, that is 5:3. Fine, so I need to assume some value here. तो guys, assume करने से हमारा काम थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा. Now here it's 5:3, कंबाइन करोगे दोनों को 8 आ रहा है, एंड वाटर इज नथिंग बट द फ्रैक्शन, दैट इज 1/3. तो कोई भी रैंडम वैल्यू अज्यूम करने से अच्छा है कि हम वो वैल्यू अज्यूम करें जिसमें हमारा फ्रैक्शंस कम आएगा. हियर आई एम गेटिंग एंटायर एज 8 एंड हियर आई हैव एज द फ्रैक्शन एज 3. So what I'll do is I'll take the multiple of both and I'll try to assume a value here. I'll take it as 24. You can take it as 48 as well, 72. सब में तुम्हारा सेम ही आंसर आएगा. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking total mixture as 24. So I'm taking this as 24x, let's say. So this entire water consists of 1/3. So water will be your 8x. Now liquid A, in that case, A and B will be 16 then, and according to the ratio it will be A will be your 10x and B is going to be your nothing but 6x. ये तुम्हारा entirely divide हो गया. Now I'm passing this entire mixture to a porous system which take out entire water, that is 8x, and some part of liquid A. So guys, I'll take some part of liquid A as, let's say, small a. Fine, and the entire of this is nothing but 200 ml. So this is 200 ml. So I'll take it as equation 1, which I can use it later, or I can take out A out of this. So this is nothing but 200 minus 8x. I'm getting right away here. So I'll just circle down this so that I can use on later on. Fine. So next part of the question says that ratio of volume of A and B in the residual is 7 and 9. So guys, अब ये जो पास हो रहा है, तो लिक्विड ए कितना बच गया? लिक्विड ए इज लेफ्ट आउट इज नथिंग बट 10x माइनस, एंड ए तो मैंने निकाल लिया था यहां से थ्रू द पोरस मीडियम, ए रह गया यहां से, एंड अपॉन क्या होगा? अपॉन बी. सो बी इज नथिंग बट 6x itself, and your ratio is going to be 7/9, which is given to me directly in the question. Now a के जगह पे I can use this entire stuff. So I'll just cross multiply both. 10x minus, so instead of a I'm using this entire value so that x के टर्म में पूरा आ जाए, minus 200 and plus 8x हो जाएगा, right? And I'm multiplying this entirely 42x. So completely linear equation जब तुम solve करोगे x के लिए, you will get the value of x as 180/12. ये तुम्हारा x का वैल्यू आएगा. Now what they are asking in the question to take out the entire water basically, and water का यहाँ पे क्या था? This was 8x. So 8 multiply करोगे x से, that is 180/12, and you have the entire value, that is nothing but 120 ml, right? So guys, अब तुम देखोगे ये टाइप के क्वेश्चंस काफी डुएबल है, बट इनिशियली ये थोड़ा सा टेडियस लग रहा था, लेंदी क्वेश्चन लग रहा था. सो जैट में मोस्टली मैंने पहले भी क्लास में भी बताया है कि काफी क्वेश्चन डुएबल होंगे. इट माइट लुक लिटिल लेंदी और टेडियस, बट अगर क्वेश्चन को ब्रेक डाउन करोगे तो काफी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाओगे. सो 50 to 60% क्वेश्चन जो जैट में आएंगे तुम्हारे, जो क्वांट में होंगे, वो डुएबल होंगे, राइट? ऑलराइट गाइस, सो अगर ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया, डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. एंड as I previously said, you can share our channel with everyone so that it motivates us as well to make the further video and help you guys with all quality and free content. All right guys, thank you so much.